Hey y'all, it is Krista. Welcome back to my channel. So to achieve this flaxseed gel wash and go, these are the things that you will need. So make sure you stay tuned so you can see how I achieve this look. Alright, so of course, when I do my wash and goes, I always go for a side part or middle part. So today I am going for a middle part. You guys will see me start from the bridge of my nose and I'll work my way to the back to make sure that my part is as straight as possible. Okay, so now that I have a straight part, I'm going to work my way in sections. You guys have definitely seen me do a wash and go before, but for this part, I'm going to slow it up so you guys can see how the flaxseed gel looks and how it works on my hair. First, this is freshly washed hair, but I have to wet my hair again to make sure that the flaxseed gel works on it as best as possible. Of course, I'm going to do the lock method, the liquid oil cream, and you guys will see me just work this way through. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys the gel. Honestly, the gel, it smells good because of the actual oil that I put in it, and that's how slimy it is. It honestly works its way really nicely through my hair, and then the grip, like on my hair, is very smooth, but I felt like I had to put extra gel on it because I felt like the humidity wouldn't be able to keep it down, so I made sure to put as much as possible, working my ways from the ends, and then I'm going to work my way up to the top. As you guys can see me working with the gel, I honestly did not think that the flaxseed gel will just cover my hair well for the humidity. So I'm putting extra as I'm working into sections and separating it. Alright guys, so I did half of my hair and this is how it looks. I'm loving the definition that the flaxseed gel is giving my hair. This is how half of my hair looks. I put the gel throughout both sections and that's how much I had left over. I'm going to do the same exact thing to the opposite side, so just stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is how my hair looks. I'm going to do a 360 for you guys. I honestly love how this gel is weighing my hair down and I wish it can dry like that, but this is how much gel I had left over. I'm going to go in and I'm going to lay my edges down with my gorilla snot, and then you guys will see me brush it in all together. Okay, so now that I laid my edges down, I'm going to go in with my frizz serum. This is supposed to hold the frizz down as I go outside. I'm showing you guys how much I'm doing. I'm doing it like about a quarter size of product. So I'm making sure that my hair does not frizz up throughout the end of the day. All right, guys, so this is my wash and go with the flaxseed gel. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Send this video off to your friends and let them know about Mesha Curlz. Please come back on Sunday. I will have a video for you guys. If you guys would like me to try other natural things, just let me know, and I will see y'all later.